You did mention that the Ombudsman has more powers than the ICI, and Ombudsman Remulla did assure that he is willing to go after the big fish. Wala siyang sisinuhin. But at the same time, how difficult will it be for the office to establish culpability of government officials? What kind of evidence, what kind of smoking gun should they be looking for?
It will not be difficult because difficulty is relative. If you look at the powers of the ombudsman, it's not only the ombudsman law, it's the Constitution. And he has a lot more powers beyond or aside from investigating and prosecuting. He has the power to publicize. He can do lifestyle checks. He can initiate forfeiture proceedings for unexplained wealth. So it turns the table around. Hindi kasi ito ginagawa ng mga maraming nakaraang ombudsman. To my mind, iisa lang so far na nakaraan ang nagawa ito. Kaya siguro ni Ombudsman Boying higitan ito. It's not difficult. We have to disabuse the mind of our people that it's difficult. That's what the corrupt people in government would want the country to believe, that it's not difficult. It is very possible.
That's exactly what Ombudsman Remulla said to us last night when we talked to him. No? But you're right. To that point, his first move was to reopen, access to these SALNs. What are your thoughts? Because I'm seeing a lot of noise also about medyo restricted pa rin. It makes it seem like it's easy to access, but actually marami siyang balakid din, kumbaga.
Well, it's a welcome move, and you can test it immediately. Diba? All your worries would disappear or would come to truth, no? Depending on what he will do. But so far, based on what is written in his memorandum, it is a significant step forward in implementing the Ombudsman, the SALN law, and the constitutional provisions and transparency and accountability of public officials. It is wrong to say na ito bago. Matagal nang nasa batas yan, nasa konstitusyon. Yung mga nakaraang ombudsman, especially the most previous one, was a miserable failure when it comes to this. Naging obstacle siya ng transparency and accountability instead of moving it forward. So, hindi ho ito gift from the ombudsman. Karapatan ng taong bayan, that is a declared clear policy of the Constitution and the SALN law and the Ombudsman law.